Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, all of us use calendars and quite often we need to use calendars of yesteryears or future years for various reasons. Sometimes we need to keep a uh, small calendar in our table also. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to prepare one such simple calendar using AMS LaTeX. As you can see in the screen, this is calendar for 2025 and it consists of two pages. First page gives you 6 months and the remaining 6 months are in the second page. Okay. Now here I have made it for 2025, but you can make it for any year. And how will you do it? We'll do it using AMS LaTeX. So here is the text file. Uh, as usual, you can download this text file from the link given in the description of this video. So let me first explain what are these lines. So this document class takes 12 point and margin is like this 2.25 and 1.25 centimeter and geometry package is used. And I'll advise you not to change these settings here, this 12 point or this margins. Otherwise, this alignment will be disturbed. This thing will be disturbed. You can try changing, and then we'll see the outcome. The number of pages will increase, or something will happen. And packages used in this are this TXZ, first of all geometry package, then TXZ package, then this TXZ library calc, and then this package PGF calendar. This is some the main part, and here I must acknowledge one thing. This is not my creation absolutely. This is I have this is inspired by a template from Overleaf. Uh, that template is called Mood Tracker. I have only changed a few things here, uh, and then I have prepared it using that Mood Tracker package. So now here is the this portion you can edit. So for example, here you can see insert the dates in this YYYER month date format. So simple calendars, this command is necessary, simple calendar, and then 1st January 2025 to 31st December 2025. It is written like this. Okay, 2025 hyphen 01 hyphen 01 and then 2025 hyphen 12 hyphen 31. This is starting date, this is ending date, and this is the outcome. Now for example, I want some yesteryears also, so I put a percentage sign here and I write this one from 1965 to 1966, okay, 1st January 1965 to 31st December 1966, so 2 years. And also another one, maybe I can take this. More number of years I'll take, the compilation time will be more. So let me take this 4 years, 65, 66 and 30, 31. Okay. So let us compile it. It will take some time and after some time it will come up. Yeah, it is coming up. So yeah, so this is calendar for 1965. Okay. So this is 1965-66, and then 2030 calendar for 2030, and then calendar for 2031. Okay, so like that you can use. And for example, if you want to know on which day our country, that is India, became a independent country, got its independence, then you can write 1947 here. Oh, sorry, not 2047, 1947 here, and here also you can write 1947, and then you can compile, and then this is 1947, and June, July, August. So 15th August is a Friday. Okay, so 1947, 15th August is a Friday. So India got its independent on Friday. So as I said, you can download this text file from the link in the description of this video. Hope you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching.